Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your assets around, like withdrawing USDT from KuCoin to Robinhood. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any platform updates. USDT is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and transferring it between exchanges can help you manage your portfolio better. Let's jump right in with a step-by-step guide. First, make sure you're logged into your KuCoin account. If you haven't already, enable two-factor authentication for extra security. It's a must in the crypto world. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section. Here, you'll see all your holdings, including USDT. Select USDT from your list of assets. Next, click on the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to choose the network for your withdrawal. USDT can be on networks like Tron, Ethereum, or BNB Smart Chain, so pick the one that matches your Robinhood wallet to avoid any issues or extra fees. Robinhood typically supports ERC20 for USDT, so go with that if possible. Now, enter the withdrawal amount. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. Then, paste in your Robinhood wallet address. Double-check this address. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Add any required tags or memos if Robinhood specifies them. Once everything looks good, review the details and hit Confirm. You'll probably need to approve this through email or your 2FA app. After that, the withdrawal should process, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, log into your Robinhood account and check your wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up, give it some time or contact support. Pro tip: always keep an eye on transaction fees and consider the market volatility. Crypto waits for no one. There you have it, folks. You've just withdrawn USDT from KuCoin to Robinhood. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.